Good morning guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then find and select Personalization and Wallpaper, mark Wallpaper and choose either something from your local photos or one from wallpapers accessible here. If you enroll more, you can also get some online albums. So just wait till it's loaded and choose the preferred one. I'll go, for example, with this one, and then just mark apply. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I'll pick both, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is set on both home and lock screen on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.